Tukutte ba suspects 110 mu bitundu oba ebyalo mu byalo by'Obugembe nga mwe muli Budumbuli East, Budumbuli West, Nakanyonyi, Flyover, Eneri Wanyange Lake, Mafubira, Namulesa, ebitundu ebyo kumpi Northern Division. Lwaki tukoze ekikwekweto kino era lwaki tugenda mu maaso n'ebikwekweto bino? One, twagala emirembe mu bitundu bino, kubanga nga tetunaba kukola bikwekweto bino twasooka kwengeginga abakulembeze LCs, councillors, opinion leaders mu bitundu bino, meetings ez'enjawulo. Then intelligence arm yaffe negenda ku ground okufuna information ey'abantu abakyamu nga tuyambibwako n'abakulembeze ba LCs. Kati kyevola tuvuddeyo okukola action. Now bano abantu betukutte bali ku misango egy'enjawulo, omuli aggravated robbery, omuli theft, omuli theft of obusimu, sente, ne handbags ez'abakyala. Kakati mujjukira bulungi nti waliwo Rogers Kifuba Ngabo eyattibwa, naye Rogers bamuttira mu kitundu kirala nnyo ne baleeta omusango ne bagusuula e Bugembe. So one, ba suspects abatta Rogers nabo tugenda bakwata. Si kirungi okubyogerako kadde kano kubanga tubanga tuli mu kulabula abantu bali betunoonya. Naye already plan waliwo we tutuuse mu planning yaffe to look for these suspects abatta Rogers. Kakati kino tetuvuddeyo lwa Rogers, nedda. Poliisi yaliwo okuva 1996. This is 2023. So Rogers bamuse juzi wa. So from 1906 police is doing the work kiromisana. So it is not all about Rogers, nedda. Naye it's all about abantu baffe n'ebyabwe, property, life and property ye point. Era tugenda campinga mu Budumbuli, Nakanyonyi camping, Rio camping, joint operations, joint camping, police, UPDF, intelligence ne prisons. Okampinga na Mafubira paka nga emirembe gize muteeko. These are sustainable operations. They are sustainable because we have camped places in Bugembe, Mafubira, Namulesa, and they are continuous operations. One, it is intended to bring sanity in these areas: Budumbuli West, Budumbuli East, Nakanyonyi, Beyakutte, Flyover, Wanyama, Katende, Beyakutte, and so on. Namulesa, Zone C, Namulesa. So we are camping. We have conducted a joint operation led by police, us, UPDF, intelligence, arm, and then the prisons. So we are yet not to stop. Okay? Our focus is on complete sanity. So we are not doing this because Rogers was killed from place A and then the body dumped in Bugembe. No. From 1906 we have been doing police work day and night. We have been policing from 1906 and this is 2023. So the core issue here is life and property. So it is not related to Rogers. Then the suspects, for those who killed Rogers, we already somewhere. We cannot preempt our plans because we'll be failing our investigations. We are somewhere and they will be arrested as well. So our people of Bugembe, Namulesa, Mafubira, 1, be calm. 2, cooperate with us. We weed out, we smoke out these wrong elements. Okay? Because without security, you the border rider, you will not ride at night or even day. Without security, you will not operate a saloon. Without security, you will not do anything. So security will provide the basis for socio-economic transformation in the country. And that's why we are going to conduct these joint operations until there is complete sanity in these areas. So 1, we don't expect political interference from those who are looking for votes. This is not the time. And even if you are looking for votes, you have to be pro-economic transformation. You have to be in that lane. You can't criticize security. If you criticize security, then I think we can label that you are one of them.
Obanga patrol enungi enakolagana na difference kale nze nekindeze ayinga ninze kibuuka oyinza okutumana amukibuuka
ali tufaako bakozi nze atijja ku CPS wajja ku CPS ati era yena lufeenya wedaina lufeenya ati era ku CPS ife tubeire n'okusalawo ndi batuwe license tujje tuzaane egame n'abazaani be balese ya donati basobole dituwa